Aku sayang kamu. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Jadi kekasihmu. Yeah, 99.6. Yeah, AL-MARKAZ. Wherever you are, of course, we are back here. Bemci Corner on Al-MARKAZ 99.6. Yes, with me, Ernie Sam. And of course, as I usually am not alone here, we have a friends from
Hey.
Bemci Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia. Okay. Hi, guys.
Hi.
How is everything?
It's great. Amazing.
Great.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, amazing.
Amazing. It's good.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's rainy today.
That's right. Yes. Okay. Before we are going to talking about our topic, of course, I would like to invite them one by one. Who are they? What their roles, and of course, what is their job description and their opinion about our English club. Yeah, Bemci Bridge English Meeting Club, and of course, we will enter after that to topic. Yes. Okay. I would like to invite you guys one by one. Maybe start from you. Yeah.
Me?
Yes. Please introduce yourself to Sahabat Al-Markaz at home. Yes. What is your name? What is your role? This camera not there.
Oh,
What
I
is your
see.
role? What is your job description? Okay.
Well, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
And good afternoon, everyone. I am Sarjita Ibnu Qayyim, and most of people call me Ito. And my role in BEMC is an advisor.
Mhm.
So my job is like, to make sure everything goes well.
Okay. So that is your job description. So what about your opinion about Bridge English Meeting Club as your second home?
Well, I think it's great because, you can learn English in many places
Mhm.
because you can see BEMC can be found in Goa also. And also you can, if you are like, in Makassar,
Mhm.
you can visit that in Taman Pakui.
Mhm.
Or maybe if you are a college student, I think you can find that in front of Unismo, right?
As long as you live in Maminasata area, yeah, Maros,
Yeah,
Makassar, Goa,
absolutely.
Takalar.
I mean, it's like profitable. I mean, you can go anywhere you like. It depends on you.
Mhm.
BMC is always there, right?
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. I move to you in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, what is your
Uh,
name? What is your role? Your job description, please.
Okay. First, hello, the listeners. I am Shabani.
Mhm.
Everyone calls me Nuni. In BEMC, I am one of member of finance.
So you're the rich one.
Yeah, of course. Actually, there are three finance member in BEMC.
Uh-huh.
We handle about financial about BEMC,
Mhm.
and BEMC is one of English community in Makassar that there are many people we can share knowledge each other, discuss something like maybe we can reach a new insight.
And feel free, of
Yes,
course, right?
of course, and we can learn English freely. Yeah, so when you wanna join with us, please stand by in our Instagram
What
account.
is the Instagram? Please
Bemci
mention.
official
Bemci
underscore official.
official. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Nini.
thank
Okay, I'll be back to
you.
you. Now the blue one.
Oh,
Like on
blue
the sky,
one.
bright.
Unfortunately, it's not bright today. It's raining.
Yeah.
I'm soaking.
So what is your name? Where are you from? So
Yeah.
what was your born when you was created? Oh, no, sorry, kidding. only
Complete, yeah.
your name, your role, yeah. Job description.
All right, thank you. Hello, teman-teman sahabat Markas. I'm Nur Inshira. You can call me Ira. I'm one of the secretary in Bemci, and basically our job is like make sure administrative things. And currently, we're really focusing on managing the form in oprek, because recently we'll open oprek, and it's open to everyone for free. So teman-teman sahabat Al-Markaz, you could join us and follow our Instagram, and always joining our weekly offline meeting. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. Giving applause for us. Yes, okay, before we enter to the topic, I would like to maybe you have to listen about the tagline of Bemci Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia. Of course, yes, you have a tagline. If I say as a host, Bemci, all of you say
Yeah.
more fun,
More confident, more impact.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3. Bemci!
More fun, more confident,
Then
more
more
impact.
Hey, give me applause. Yes, as I might promise that I would like to spill the topic for today. Sometimes, human being, they come from different character, but they're big line. They come from like extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. But sometimes in another words, in other things, in another definition, like a term, something like that, we we recognize like insecure, secure, and that's why we will compare about them, and that's why our topic for this evening, it is even this afternoon, yeah.
Yes.
This afternoon is insecure versus secure. Giving a applause. Are you ready, guys?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah.
Okay, my first question. So I put
Me?
to you, yes.
Okay, right.
So, what is your reaction when you got for the first time uh opportunity to come here?
Oh, opportunity to come here?
Yes,
It was such an
because you
honor.
come from Limbung, right?
Oh yeah, it's so far
So
away.
far.
Oh my god, mashallah. Yeah, first of all, I feel so honored. It's my first time being here in Radio Al-Markaz, and I'm so glad. So I even though it's super raining out there, I still managed to come, alhamdulillah, from Limbung.
Mm.
So yeah, I'm so happy, honored, and I can't wait for an
This is
next
your first time
opportunity.
coming, right?
First
Okay,
time.
welcome. Welcome to Bemci Corner,
Yeah.
Al-Markaz, yeah, Radio Al-Markaz.
Yeah, the
So what
Al-Markaz.
about the topic itself? How do you think about the topic?
Wow, the topic is great because somehow a lot of people have in the side of being secure or like insecure. A lot of people will have that, but the thing that we have to focusing is to manage the feeling so it doesn't get too overwhelmed, too much secure and too much insecure. Just being in the middle, just right.
Okay, that is very difficult, actually. Yeah, that's why we will talk about it later. Okay, next in the middle.
Right.
Okay, so how do you think about the invitation for the first time come here? What is your first impression about our studio, our program?
Okay, thank you so much for the question. Honestly, I'm on cloud nine to be here today, and yeah, I want to say thank you so much for having us, to give us a chance to be here. And same with Ira, this is my very first time for being. Yes, of course, and yeah, such an honor, and it was a grateful moment that maybe it can be experience for me. Actually, I can improve again my speaking. It's like a challenge for me to speaking in front of like this, because yeah, I can improve more about my skill.
Did you ever visit on media when you was a university student?
No, not yet.
No, this is your first
Yeah,
time
this is
during or for at Bemci.
yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
my
congrats
first
for
time
Bemci.
after joining Bemci.
Yeah, in the previous media, of course, yeah.
Yeah,
And now
yes. This is the second actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how do you think about the topic itself, secure and insecure
Mm,
versus?
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I think our topic today is very relatable in our life, secure and insecure, and I think it is something that we deal with it like almost every day.
Mm.
Like Sometimes we feel confident, and yeah, sometimes also we start overthinking everything.
Okay.
So yeah, I think
So this is very relatable.
yeah, very relatable in our daily life, I think.
Okay, keep it
Yes.
up. Okay, what about you? Our media, our house is changed already.
Yeah, I know,
But
I
didn't
know.
mention what is the media before.
I know
Previous.
exactly.
Okay, so how do you feel? What is the difference you feel?
I think it's different atmosphere, of course, and I feel grateful anyway because you don't have to worry about the how to say the traffic.
Mhm.
If you go like in the previous media, I guess you're gonna like having stuck
Mhm.
with the congestion or the traffic.
Mhm. But the most important is start early.
Yeah, we don't have,
Whatever the condition. That's true.
but still, yeah, I feel grateful, yeah, because we don't have to be in hurry. Okay.
Okay. So what about the topic itself? How do you think about the comparison about the secure and
Well, I,
the
I
topic?
think this is very human topic here because we have to deal with that.
Don't
I-
worry, we have an animal topic and pleasure. Yes. Yes.
in our daily life, I mean, we should face the kind of feeling.
Mhm.
And for example, if you want to go outside, you have to consider what to bring
Mhm.
or what to contact.
Mm-mm.
So if you don't, maybe later you will feel like insecurity,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So it's just something that we have to deal in our daily life. Daily life.
Okay, so this is a very, yeah, our daily life. It's relatable. Yeah, it's our daily life. It's connected to each other. So, my next question for Nuni.
Yeah. Me?
Yes, yeah. In your perspective, what is actually secure?
Secure.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Yeah. What does it mean to be secure? I think being secure, uh, it's not about being perfect.
Mhm.
It's more like being okay with who we are,
Mhm.
who you are. We know about our strengths, but also we accept our weaknesses.
Mm.
Like, I think a secure person doesn't need to be compete all the time.
Okay.
They can say, uh, "Oh, are you good at that? Oh, that's cool." Like that, instead of feeling threatened.
Okay.
And I think honestly, that's a peaceful life, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
So what about insecure, the opposite? What is the definition on your perspective?
From my point of view,
Mm.
insecure is when we doubting ourselves. Like, am I good enough? Or maybe, what if people judge me like that?
Mhm.
So maybe I think overthinking is the best friend of insecurity, like that. So, yeah, sometimes we compare ourselves too much with others. Yeah, maybe like that.
So to describe both of them, it means that in other words, like, uh, how to say, uh, like secure, it means confident.
Yes,
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 and insecure, tidak confident, not
yeah, and
confident,
confidence. Yes,
right? So
yeah,
clear and unclear, something
yeah,
like that, right?
yes, yes,
Okay, thank
yes.
you. What about you, on your perspective? What is the definition about secure and insecure?
I think it is like what uh, our previous speaker was saying about overwhelming feeling. I mean, if you cannot control anything, it will come to insecurity.
Mm-mm.
So when you can control anything, you feel secure.
Mm-mm.
So it's all about control. But somehow, whether to be insecure
It's
or
about control.
yes,
So how about the people cannot control the peoples?
yeah, it's like there is a kind of moral boundaries.
Mhm.
So when you meet a person that
Mm.
you don't know,
Mhm.
maybe you can feel secure because the person you meet you just don't know. But when you meet the person you hate, how about that? You're gonna have to feel you're gonna have to face that person.
Mhm. So the point is, secure is and insecure is
It's all about control, I guess.
also about control.
Yeah,
Okay, secure you can control, insecure you cannot
you
control.
cannot control.
Okay, so what
Oh,
about you? What is
yes.
the difference between secure and security?
Well, in my opinion,
No
for
kidding, I'm kidding. Security, secure and insecure.
like,
No such spam, yeah, no such spam.
you're kidding, lah. This is like comedy here. Great.
Okay, yeah,
Is it serious now? Okay. I think for the feeling of secure
Mhm.
is when you're not seeking validation anymore.
Okay.
At some point in insecure side, you tend to seeking validation so much to the point that when you don't get it, you start feel anxious about it.
Mhm.
And that's the worst part about being insecure. You tend to draw back and step back from the stage just because overthinking,
Mhm.
being anxious,
Mhm.
a lot of things.
So
Something that stop you.
secure is comfort, insecure is anxious.
Yes,
Yes.
sort of, yeah.
Okay, keep your statement. Yes, sahabat Al-Markaz para viewer 99.1. We will be back after this. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Radio Al-Markaz.
Untukku.
Yes, 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, sahabat Markaz. We are back. Bemci.
More fun, more confidence, more impact. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. My second questions already. Of course, I would like to move to the. This is the third or fourth questions. Yes. Okay. Talking about the topic insecure and versus secure. So, what is the factor actually why people's or someone, she or he, uh, to be secure and to be insecure? So, start from you.
All right. Actually, about the person being secure or insecure, there are so many factors. Actually,
Mhm.
one of them can be when they're in childhood, or another case, it could be because their experience. For example, like being in the environments that is not supporting them, that is not care about their well-beings. It could actually make people, whether they're secure or insecure type of personality, or it can be from your own self, from inside. Whether you want it to be secure type of person, insecure type of person, it depends on the mindset, basically. So yeah.
So, there are two factors, like external and internal,
Yes,
something
yeah,
like that,
yeah,
right? Internal from yourself,
yeah. Self and
external from the
external,
environment, for
environment or
the
childhood, yes.
childhood and etc. Something like that, right?
Yeah, lots
Okay.
of
So,
reasons.
what about you, Nuni? How the peoples can be secure and insecure?
Okay, first, how can people feel insecure? Maybe because one of the factors is social media, maybe. Like people spend their time all day long just to up on Instagram, TikTok, and maybe Facebook, and they found that everyone there like successful, maybe good looking, maybe, or something like that. And yeah, they compare their self each other, and then yeah, they will feel insecure about that. I think like that.
Okay, so yeah, the same, like, uh social media can
Yeah.
make impact
Yes.
insecure.
Yeah, it can
And
affect us. Like
yeah, what about the secure itself? It's just automatically secure come from inside in our self, or there is like a specific factor that can be make us secure.
oh yeah, maybe it's from inside. Um, like
Fresh
people.
inside,
Yes.
outside.
Yeah, no.
Okay, continue.
Yeah.
No, don't mention it.
Maybe when we found ourselves being secure,
Mhm.
maybe because we know our goals, we didn't how to say, compare ourselves again. Like
Okay, okay,
it could be like we will feel tired
okay.
being like when we compare each other, like there's no end
Mhm.
of that. So maybe being secure is because we can control our insecurity, so we found our own goals without comparing each other.
Okay, so they know, she knows, yeah, he knows
Why?
their strengths, right? Okay. Hey, what
What
happened?
did you
Okay,
say?
thank you. What about you? What do make people secure and insecure?
I think whether you are feeling secure or not, it's all about when it comes to the internal, it's all about you staying in a comfort habits.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you don't want to go away from your zone. You just want to stick in your something that you're really good at.
Mm.
I mean, when you go outside without knowing any person, it's gonna be like you're gonna feel like insecure, yeah, because we don't know.
Mm. Okay. Continue, continue.
Maybe you can compare like in a social media. Social media creates a standard,
Uh-huh.
and we
Like beauty standard, something like that, right?
we
Rich standard, success standard.
TikTok stuff.
we do try to reach the standard, but is it really you? That is the question anyway. But if you keep forcing yourself, whether you're going to feel secure reaching the standard, I don't think so. I mean, it's a totally lie, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you keep lying to yourself by reaching the standard, but it doesn't have to be like that.
Okay, how you like that? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So what about you? Talking about this. Give specific one about the case of the secure and and insecure in the reality.
Can you repeat, please?
Give this give the sample, the concrete one, like when you or when someone feels secure and insecure. For example, someone feels secure. For example, like they always compare their skin tone. Yeah, because she want to how to say white, but cannot because skincare is very expensive, and that's why she is insecure. That is insecure. She blah 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 secure because blah 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 something like that. Just give the concrete one. Which one in the reality in our life and
Okay, maybe I will give an example of my experience.
oh
Yeah,
really
yeah.
okay.
Could I say like I really insecure when I found people around me could speak English like a native. Sometimes I comparing myself with them. Like, oh my god, how can they speak like a native as fast as like a native? And
What about riding motorcycle? Because Ira can ride and you cannot.
actually I can.
Oh, so you can.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah, but I have a trauma. Like yeah.
Ah, okay.
So
Okay,
I
continue,
never ride a motorcycle again.
continue.
Yeah. What? I forgot. Actually,
No, that is insecure. We get the point.
you got
We,
one.
we get the point to say insecure. What about the
Yeah.
secure?
The secure. Mm, I don't know what to say. Like, maybe, for me again, um, when I graduate my study,
Mhm.
I sometimes feel like why I didn't get a job. Like,
Oh,
yeah, it's so long, right? There is a space for getting job after graduate in university.
Okay.
So when I get a job, I can control it, my insecurity, like, and I found my own goals, like. Oh, and I think actually I feel tired when I can't control my insecurities. That's why I think these days I'm not thinking about that again, and I build up myself like, oh come on, you have to be secure and
More job, more money. Right? That's why we secure.
yeah,
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. What about you? Okay, what is the concrete one make you or make someone like feel secure and insecure? Give the concrete,
Uh,
concrete one.
well, for example, in social media,
Always social media.
yeah, because
Okay, okay.
I am digging on social media anyway. Most of people see social media as a tool to express their feelings
Mhm,
or themselves.
mhm,
But you know, the social media has a lot of features
mhm,
that you can control your audience and even whether you have to switch to private to public.
mhm.
But
Is this secure or insecure?
I mean, people tend to be like you know tend to be don't care about those kind of things,
Mhm,
and when they are feeling insecure,
mhm,
they blame the people.
mhm.
But actually, they can control. I mean, like in TikTok, for example, right? You can control your audience. You can
Mhm.
control anything can I mean that can you can see, right?
Mhm, mhm.
Because there are so many tools on the social media. So why keep blaming everyone
Mhm.
when you don't know, right?
So this is secure or insecure?
I think it is about switching to.
That's why I told you, give the code.
Yeah, yeah. I'm giving the concrete example, right? Whether you have to feel insecure. I guess when it comes to insecure, when you cannot control.
Oh, okay.
But when it comes, I mean, if you know everything on social media, like switching private to public,
Okay.
I think you can feel the secure there.
Like privilege position, right?
It's not about privilege. It is about private and public.
Private and public.
When you go public on social media,
Mhm.
I cannot guarantee that whether you can feel secure or insecure.
Mhm.
But the point is, I think whether you want or not, you will face the insecure if you
or not,
if you're if you
believe it or not.
yeah. If, I mean, if your account go public, right?
Uh-huh. Okay, go public.
Yeah.
I like. So you when you go public, like an artist, yeah. Okay, thank you. What about you? Give the concrete one to Sahabat Al-Markaz at home. Which one?
The example.
Like the concrete one, the example about the secure and insecure.
All right. Well, the concrete one is like close enough that we could see. For example, like when you have a friend, the secure one understand when there's a boundaries.
Okay.
They will accept it kindly when you start to say no.
Mm.
It's okay. A refusal, it's fine. But when moving on into insecure feeling, they tend to be like arguing that you have to be there, being their friends all the time. So it's kind of like controlling and it's kind of like not really good kind of personality. So basically, in the middle of it, it's just about being mature.
It's
To
about
get
being mature.
yes to the
Uh-huh.
point of being secure, and that's what we're all working on as a person.
Mm. So what about like material, like wealthful things like houses, car,
Yeah.
uh, our brains, something like sometimes people compare
Yeah.
their prestige, their brain, their title,
Yeah.
their money. That is the concrete, right?
Yeah, it is.
So what do you think about it?
Well, basically, we have to.
Someone is PNS, you are not PNS. Compare.
Yeah, there's lots of things in societies, and it's kind of lots of people may experience that, like such a pressure. Everybody push you to be something, but the thing is, it's just the feeling of being enough with yourself.
Feeling good.
Yeah, well, I know setting a standard to become a better version of you, it's good, but also it just have to be exactly what you want, and being enough about something. Like you have to know that even though we want it, we can't have everything in this world.
Okay.
There's
Any
a limit.
addition or enough?
Oh yeah, I guess enough.
Okay, giving applause for us.
Yay,
I would like
thank
to check,
you.
recheck your spirit, guys, about
yeah.
Heckline. Your favorite enthusiast. Okay, Bemci.
More fun, more
Confidence for impact. Once again, Bemci.
More fun, more
Confidence,
more
impact. Giving applause. Yes, sahabat Al-Markas, wherever you are, don't go anywhere. Always stay tuned at 99.6 Radio Al-Markas.
Harus gimana? Kayak
Iya. Oh, yes, welcome back 99.6. Yeah, Radio Al-Markaz, sahabat Al-Markaz. We are back. Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia, BMC Corner English Discussion. Hi guys, hi.
Hi.
Yes, I would like to, how to say, again, check your spirit about BMC. BMC.
More
fun. Okay, once again. BMC. More fun, more confidence, more impact. Hey, give it a plus. Yes. Back to the topic, but not laptop, yeah? Back to laptop. Back to the topic, yes?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yes, my question is
Okay. Is it going to be hard question?
good. Yeah. Okay, my next question. How do you think about the people feel secure?
Oh yeah, and insecure.
And another one is insecure. How we can make someone feel secure, and uh, how to say in English, ngerem. How can we make people ngerem about their security?
Like a
Mm.
brick.
Because when we over security, sometimes we can
Yeah.
make like cover confidence and make you guys like sombong.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yes, because it's over.
Right.
That's
I
not
see.
over.
Yes. Over. But
So do you get my point?
yeah,
Okay, I
it's
start
clear.
yeah. So how can make you people insecure to be secure and secure but not over?
All right.
Uh-uh.
So first to make insecure to be secure.
Mm.
Well, actually, it depends on that person. When in a terrible case, you need to seek for the expert to like psychology, yeah, to get help if it in extreme condition. But when it's come to like usual a normal one, sometimes they just have to be like there's like a process of someone getting into in a mature side.
Sure.
Mm.
So what about the
To be for not being over,
Mhm.
because we just have to realize, because we just have to realize that in this world we're just human, and somehow we can't have everything. We can't be like monopolying everything, having everything. There's like a nipple and
monopoly?
something. Yes, like in a monopoly you have
Yes.
everything,
Uh,
but in life somehow we just have to know that life is not working that way somehow. Yeah.
okay. Thank you. What about you, Nune?
Yeah.
You get a point?
Can you repeat?
Okay. How can make you people insecure to be secure, and how can you make people secure but not over? 60 seconds for you.
No.
Like Putri
Fair.
Indonesia.
Fair.
Yes, only 60
We do
seconds.
it again. Okay, how to make a secure person?
Mhm.
No, insecure
Secure
person
to be secure.
to be secure. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, I think yeah. Again, yeah. Based on my experience.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
your
because
experience.
no, because I always feel insecure, so that's why.
Really?
Not always. Yes. Yeah. Sometimes lah.
Sometimes.
Yeah. So yeah. My first thing to do is stop comparing
Mm.
self with each other.
Mm.
Yeah, like that. I think. Um. I think. And then the second one maybe be kind to ourselves.
Mm.
Yeah. We have
Be
to.
kind to ourselves.
Yeah.
For example,
Like
like you go to the salon, manicure, pedicure. Be kind to yourself.
yeah, it could be like
It
that.
could be.
Yes.
Uh-huh. And just go to the restaurant for alone.
No.
Anytime like that.
I mean, like we have to more care about ourselves. We have to be. We have
Which care you mean?
no. We like
Like fresh
we,
care
we have
or
to.
chef care?
It's okay
Oh, no, okay. Continue, continue.
Hang on, no. Like maybe we have to make our mind healthy, like without
You again say
without
healthy.
thinking a negative. Like we have to always be positive, like that. Maybe it's
That is from secure to anticipate to
insecurity.
secure.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the another one?
Other one, to how to say, yeah, not to be over.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
maybe like like it's something like I can handle with it. Like I think it depends on the person. Yeah, because like Ira say, there is something happen that we couldn't handle it by ourselves. Maybe
because nobody's perfect.
yeah,
Yes.
nobody's perfect. So, yeah, so that's why I think just based on the person actually. Yeah, something like
And
that.
try hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
They have to try with their own self. Maybe I didn't have any idea of that
Yeah,
equation.
we have to try it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So what about you from the color?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's a bit
Yeah, yeah.
nice.
What was the question again? What was the question?
Yeah. My question is how to make people from insecure to secure, and how to say, and also secure but not over.
Over. Yes.
Yes.
How to make people to be secure? I guess you have to be a good listener
Hmm.
Yeah.
because you know,
Like sahabat Al-MARKAZ, yeah.
yeah,
Listeners, yes.
Okay.
because everybody wants to be understood,
Mhm.
and whatever their problem, I think you have to listen first.
Listen.
Yeah,
Yes.
sounds like that.
Yeah.
The song, yeah,
Yeah. Or the song.
and maybe because you know this is all about human behavior. Again, human, yeah. Uh,
Only in Bemci is like this. It's always like this. Loving.
I think everybody has a different and unique behavior,
Oh yeah.
and that is why I want to be a good listener and try to understand them.
Yes.
By that, I can make sure that the person who wants to feel secure trust me.
It
So
works.
yeah, I guess like that. I mean,
Trust me, it works.
I try to gain their trust first by being a good listener.
Okay.
But uh, over or not, I think it's
Will
a
it fit or not?
it's very complicated when it comes they want to be over or not
Mhm.
because
That's why there is a like, how do you say in English? Rem.
It's like managing, like stopping it.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
managing, stopping it.
Mm.
And he is a manager.
Yes.
because the problem of understanding of a person
Mm.
is to know their limit.
Mhm.
So whether they go over or not,
Mhm.
I think it is a good chance. I mean, it's a good point to
And it's
understand.
about control.
Yeah,
You stay control, right?
I think it is a good step to understand the person you want to know.
Mhm.
I mean, when they go over, what is the sign?
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
Should we stop or continue? Right? So it's just only about being a good listener first.
Mm.
Try to understand the person you want to meet.
Yeah. And open.
Yeah.
Do you have any edition? Do you have edition?
Yeah, basically, it's just have to be open with new ideas because we can't just believe in one perspective, right? Being open minded, and also you have to be. There's like a quote I want to share. Man purpose, God dispose.
Mhm.
That means that even though we could do effort as a human,
Mhm.
it is God who decides
Mhm.
about what
Masya
happened.
Allah.
Yeah.
Takbir.
Masya Allah, Allah Akbar. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay,
I
what
don't know.
about you, Nuna? Do you have any edition about this topic?
Yeah.
That can you share to Sahabat Al-Markaz based your experience? Yeah.
No? What?
No, right now. Yeah, you just still elaborate, you still explain
What
about
should
it.
I say? Like,
Yeah, maybe edition,
Any
something like that.
comments?
yeah. Maybe for me,
For me.
being secure doesn't mean like we never feel insecure.
I have
Like
nothing.
like even confidence people have bad days. Yeah. So but the difference is they can control them.
Mhm.
They can control that feeling.
But how if they cannot? I mean, like lepas control, something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, alam
sometimes.
now, lepas control. Yeah, alam very know that. Uh-huh.
Yeah, maybe we have to um how to say how to say
Just
mm,
do not hesitate to put bahasa
ya,
Indonesia in English.
harus apa ya, harus menanamkan
Mhm.
positive
Mhm.
was positive side, like
Mhm.
we have to always be positive, control ourselves.
Yeah.
Control.
Because our insecurity level is only us know about it,
Mm.
and only us can control it.
Mhm.
So yeah, that's why.
Mm. Okay, guys, prepare yourself to maybe just like give your unfamiliar words about this topic, like insecure and secure, or maybe wise word. Yes, a wise sentence. And also, I would like to invite you guys to give like conclusion, something like that.
Yeah.
Yes, but maybe you have uh okay conclusion maybe. What about your conclusion?
Uh, to conclude our topic
Mhm.
today, I think whether we're being secure or insecure, it's all about um,
It's all about money.
it's all about to know your limit, because without knowing our limit, it means we don't we cannot, I mean, we cannot just go blind.
Mhm.
And by going blind, you're going to have a something that we can call as a insecure.
Mhm.
But if you just know your limit, I don't think you're gonna have this feeling, this disturbing feeling like insecurity. Instead, you're gonna have the feeling of secure.
Mhm.
So I think like that.
Okay, so prepare yourself yet to be give like insight, like unfamiliar words, maybe items, and then something like that. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion?
Okay. For my conclusion for our topic today, actually, our topic today is very interesting to
Mm.
discuss, and yeah, like what I said before, this topic is very relatable
Mm.
with our daily life. And what could I say? Is um, we don't need to be insecure.
Mhm.
Um, um, maybe we have to convert ourselves.
Okay.
We have to be our self,
Mhm.
than comparing ourselves each other.
And be
And
yourself.
yes, be
Uh,
yourself,
uh,
and don't follow, or maybe don't see the lifestyle and like social media.
okay.
Yeah, because we have our own um time.
Mhm.
So even our small progress is still progress.
Mhm.
So yeah, I think we have to always be positive. We have to control ourselves, be kind to ourselves, and yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, prepare yourself to give unfamiliar words or idiom or wise word after this. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what about you, Ira? And so, what is your conclusion about our topic for this?
This topic is really amazing, and it's nice to like screening your own self, whether it's like you're in a secure or like insecure type of person.
Mhm.
And the first conclusion that I want to give, it's like being having acceptance, the heart that accepts that people can be insecure, and sometimes it's also fine to be insecure, but just be in a right amount to the point that you could push yourself to be the better version of you. So everything happened for a good reason, and also small progress is still progress. So even though that now you are still being insecure, it's fine because you are progressing to be a secure person.
Okay, so after this, will we go to the journey to the west?
I know someone who likes it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So after this, prepare your unfamiliar words, your
Sure.
idiom, your yeah, wisdom sentence, and something like that. Okay, you have an unfamiliar words related with our topic, or maybe you have a like a final statement or idioms, maybe your message to the Sahabat Al-Markaz.
No, no, no.
Message.
First.
Message.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't forget and something like that. Blah 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 blah.
Oh.
You see?
People listen. Na 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 na
Okay,
na
okay,
na.
okay,
Oh,
okay.
message like that.
I understand.
Free,
Like,
feel free. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, guys. Like what I said before, that please be yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Um. We have to be happy with our own life. Always be positive. Um, maybe because I didn't prepare anything about my words or message today. Maybe yeah, I just want to say that, and
I just wanna
please
say.
don't forget to join our club, our community every Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you? What is your message to Sahabat Al-Markaz?
Well, guys, what I said before, yeah, it's all about to know your limit. But if you want to challenge,
Uh-huh.
I mean, to know more about your limit, for example, if you want to study English, right? You just have to go to Bemci because if you just keep learning at home, I don't think it will work. I mean, you just keep theorizing, yeah. But when you go to Bemci, you're gonna practice that. What have you study at home?
And you will get how to say smile there.
Yeah, you get a smile. It's not only about smile, I guess. It's all about
Fine.
studying, fun, and by practice, maybe around 3 weeks, you will have a great speaking, I guess.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you?
Right. Because this is a BMC corner. Well, even in English speaking thing, there's like the state of being secure or insecure. And even in English speaking, it's quite normal to be insecure sometimes. But the only thing that we could do is to practice. And also because we all care about that English speaking practicing, and
Yeah.
then we also wanted to be secure in our English skills. We
Yes.
we always do some like practicing our English every Sunday in Bemci. So we are hope to see you too, Sahabat Al-Markaz, to our communities every Sunday.
Okay, yay, giving applause.
Yay.
Pepsi.
More
fun,
more confidence, more
Thank you
impact.
guys for coming. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Yeah.
Keep in touch. Okay, thank you so much.
Sure, yeah.
Yes,
thank
about
you.
Arakas, wherever you are, that's all our conversation about the topic insecure versus secure. And that's all. See you for the next week in 99.6 in BMC Corner. Yeah, every
Friday.
Friday, yeah, at
Friday.
4 until 5 p.m.
PM.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good night. Have a good day.